Hi there and welcome to Sreelaya's channel. Today's special is a delicious chicken curry. So let's get started. Start by adding 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil in a cooker. Add 2 medium-sized onions, finely sliced. Saute the onions for about 3 to 4 minutes. A couple of minutes of sauteing and add a handful of curry leaves, 3 to 4 dry red chilies, and continue sauteing. Add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste at this stage and continue sauteing for about 3 to 4 minutes on a very medium flame. Ginger garlic paste has blended well with the onions. Now it's time for the masalas. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, two teaspoons of red chili powder. Keep the stove on a medium flame and saute the onions with the masalas for about 2 to 3 minutes. It's time to now add the chicken. We've used about half a kilo chicken here and 2 medium-sized potatoes. Continue to mix the chicken and the potatoes well with the masalas and do this for about 3 to 4 minutes. The chicken and potatoes have coated well with the masalas and you can now see the oil separate. At this stage, add a cup of water, give it a good mix, and it's time to let them pressure cook for about 2 to 3 whistles. The chicken and potatoes have cooked really well and it's time to add the tomato and coconut paste. Now to prepare the tomato and coconut paste, you'd need 3 to 4 medium-sized tomatoes and about 4 to 5 tablespoons of coconut. Blend it to a fine paste and add it to the chicken at this stage. Give it a good mix and let it cook on high flame for about 5 to 10 minutes. Now we will cook this until we see the oil on the surface. It's now come to a complete boil. Add a handful of chopped coriander, It's now time to enjoy a tasty and delicious chicken curry. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and share, subscribe, and and click that magic bell icon because that will tell you when my new videos are up. God bless you and have a wonderful day.